So in celebration of Irish heritage, getting too drunk to figure out where you're at and what you're doing, I'm going to show you 5, maybe 6, depending if I have the ingredients for the 6th one. I may have forgotten to go to the store. We'll see. Drinks for you to enjoy this St. Patty's Day. The first one is going to be called the Shamrock Shake Shot. And you know me, I have talked about my affinity for Shamrock Shakes on every show I possibly can. They are delicious. So we're going to make one boozy. So first thing we're going to need is 2 ounces of vodka. You're going to need ice cream and a blender for this if you don't already have that, which I assume, oops, spilled half that shot, which I assume everybody has somewhere. We're going to be using Russian Standard vodka. We're going to need a ½ ounce of creme de menthe. Obviously we're going with green because duh. Then we're going to need about a scoop of ice cream. Me being the adult I am, I don't have an ice cream scoop, I have a spoon, so we're just gonna kind of, yeah, it's like a ½ scoop maybe. That looks like about a scoop. Yeah, close enough. And we are going to blend this concoction together. And it needs a little more ice cream. That's okay. Pour it into our cup. The Shamrock Shake Shot. That's really good. I would maybe cut down the creme de menthe a little bit. Maybe by like a... Hold on. Let's try it again. Let's try remaking it. That recipe was okay. But we're going to try this a little bit differently. About a scoop of ice cream. 2 ounces of our vodka. Try not to spill it this time. 2 ounces of vodka. And we're going to do a ¼ ounce of the creme de menthe. And cut it by half. Because that is super minty. Now let's try it like this. A little more ice cream, a little less creme de menthe. And while this is blending, I'm going to dump this. It's definitely more Shamrock Shake flavored, or colored. That's the ticket. It doesn't have the same consistency as a milkshake. I don't think you would expect it to. But it's got the minty. I don't even taste the vodka until it gets to the back of the palate, and you start to feel the warmness of it. But no, this is dangerous. You can throw a few of these back. Besides getting fat on ice cream, you're going to get drunk as shit too. Let's move on to the next one. This one is called Irish Eyes. We're going to need 1 ounce of Irish whiskey. We're going to go with the Bushmills Shelby edition. So 1 ounce Irish whiskey in the tin. We need 1 ounce Irish cream. Obviously going Bailey's because I don't think the Irish have made any other cream besides that. And then a ¼ ounce of creme de menthe. So just a little of creme de menthe. And that is the exact measurement. I should put that in the description. Dump that in. Ice in our tin. Shake. Fuck. All right. That's pretty. Not getting a lot of stuff out of this one. All right, the Irish Eyes. That's interesting. It's not bad. Everything's fighting to be at the front. The Irish whiskey is really hitting you as soon as you taste it. Then the creme de menthe is just kind of like an overarching, omnipresent taste in the whole scenario. The Irish cream is really the consistency, if anything else. It's not bad. I could drink 10 or 12 of these. It's just... it tastes like something. I can't remember. Yeah, no, this will definitely get you shitty. It tastes like a cold brew, cold foam with mint in it, kind of. That's pretty good, though. This one's called the Irish Maid. We're going to need 2 ounces of our Peaky Boys, our Peaky Blindy Boys. It's like noon and I'm already getting tips. Happy St. Patty's Day, even though I'm recording this like 2 weeks before St. Patty's Day. 2 ounces of our Peaky Boys. Is that a whole ounce? A half an ounce of our Elderflower Liqueur. And I didn't know until Leandro from the Educated Barfly said that is called bartender's ketchup. It says honey syrup, and I still don't have any made. I should make it, so we're just gonna squeeze a little bit of honey in here. Anybody who doesn't know, honey syrup is 2 parts whatever honey to 1 part water, and shake the shit out of it. And then we're gonna need 3/4 of an ounce of our lemon. And we roll it out, slice it up. You should use a cutting board. I'm an asshole. I'm not. So 3/4 of an ounce of that. Oh no, I'm spilling. Oh no, I'm spilling. I'm spilling everywhere. Oh boy. Same thing for our lime. Roll it out. Hold lime. No cut. Wow, that's juicy. No cutting board. In the squeezer. 3/4 of an ounce of lime juice. And then shake. And open pour this one into your glass. Apparently, I guess maybe they meant a shorter glass, but the Irish Maid. Oh, wow. That's really citrusy. Oh. That's interesting. That's really interesting. I don't get anything but the lemon and lime. The elderflower and the Irish whiskey is completely hidden in this. It's all lemon and lime. That's pretty good. I approve. This one is called the Emerald Sunrise, and you'll see why. We're gonna need 2 ounces of tequila. And the recipe calls for 1.5 ounces, but I'm beefing it up because we're using a big glass for it. I don't have any wine glasses at hand. 2 ounces of blue Curaçao. And then we're gonna float orange juice on top of it somehow. I'm not really good at floating stuff, but we're gonna figure it out. Oh, please work, please work. Ah, no, you went right to the bottom, you shit. It's not working at all. No, it definitely is supposed to. Ah, shit, who cares? This is the point, is that it gets green after you pour it in. It's supposed to be blue and then orange juice, but it gets green. That's amazing! I'm so happy I skipped the step of stirring it together. That's fantastic. Oh, wow. That is a morning drink and a half. Holy shit, I could drink this all fucking day. I gotta stop drinking that because I'm half in the bag already. That is incredible. It tastes like a better mimosa. Like blue Curaçao, I don't care what anybody says, it has no flavor. It doesn't taste like blue. There's nothing there. That's tequila and orange juice. This is my favorite so far, bar none. All right, we're doing the Lucky Charm shot. We're gonna need 1 ounce of Pinnacle. I know I said we were gonna do 5 shots, but I screwed up my material list. So we're doing 5 and a shot from a previous video, which is perfectly fine because Lucky Charms, it's the motif. An ounce of our honey whiskey. Now Pinnacle, to get the marshmallow whipped cream-ish flavor. Honey whiskey, obviously honey. And then Amaretto, we're going to do a half an ounce of that. This is a little bit of a retool of the original recipe because the last one was super almond heavy, but we're gonna go with it. We're gonna see how it turns out. The improved Lucky Charms. Oh, that's so much better. That is so much better than the original. You kind of get the marshmallow flavor from the Pinnacle and the almond somehow, but the honey on the follow through is impeccable. This is so much better. But guys, if you're watching this right before St. Patty's Day, get fucked up with me. Thank you for watching. Thank you for hanging out with me for just this little bit. Please leave a like, leave a comment. Thank you to all the patrons down below. You make all of this possible. I appreciate every single one of you. And leave a comment. It helps in the algorithm. Have a fun St. Patty's Day.